Hello everyone. Today we are in part 9, activities 5, 6 and 7. Be ready with your textbook, notebook and take a pen. We are beginning with activity 5. Study the table and learn how verbs are formed by adding appropriate suffixes. In your grammar classes, you may already learned about suffixes. Suffixes are sets of letters that are added to the end of words to change their meanings or to change their grammatical function. In order to form a verb, we have to add the following suffixes with the word: ise or izd, en, ifi or e. For examples, patron, patronize, lose, loosen, class, classify, breath, breathe. In your textbook, you can see some examples. First, the word is sharp or wide. We added the suffix en and we got the verb sharpen, widen. Sharpen means to make something sharp. Second, material, central or modern. We can add either ISE or IZE. We will get the verb materialize, centralize or modernize. Modernize means to make something modern. Third, simple or pure. We have to add the suffix ifi. We will get simplify or purify. Simplify means to make something simple. Bath or breath. We have to add the suffix e. We will get bath or breathe. Bath means to take a bath. Next, we are moving to our exercise. Complete the paragraph with appropriate verbs for the following expressions. In the box, you can see some expressions. We have to make appropriate verb from that expression and fill the following blanks. First, to make pure. Here we can make the verb purify. To make modern, modernize. To make beautiful, beautify. To take a bath, bath. To put into categories, categorized. Now, let us fill the following blanks. Take out your pencil, we will do it together. A new township is being set up here. They will dash it with plants and trees. They set up a new township. Then they will beautify it with plants and trees. The plants and trees will dash the air. They will purify the air. The plants and trees will purify the air. The organizers have dashed the buildings. The organizers have categorized the buildings. They will also dash the water system. They will also modernize the water system. They are also planning to erect a swimming pool where we will be able to swim and bath. Now check your answers once more. A new township is being set up here. They will beautify it with plants and trees. The plants and trees will purify the air. The organizers have categorized the buildings. They will also modernize the water system. They are also planning to erect a swimming pool where we will be able to swim and bath. Activity 6. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate verbs. Here you can see 10 sentences with the bracket. We have to make the verb form from the bracket to fill the following blanks. First, the streets of the city are being dash wide. We have to add the suffixes with the bracket and make the verb form. The streets of the city are being widened. Second, do not speak so loudly, dash your tone. Do not speak so loudly, soften your tone. They couldn't dash, he was blind for years. They couldn't believe he was blind for years. 4. Nobody dashed Joseph's death as much as Pierre. Nobody grieved Joseph's death as much as Pierre. 5. Joseph's death dashed Pierre's life forever. Joseph's death darkened Pierre's life forever. 6. Jacques dashed Pierre to take a day off. Jacques advised Pierre to take a day off. 7. Everyone dashed the old man's death. Everyone sympathized the old man's death. 8. This story dash love between animal and man. This story symbolizes the love between animal and man. Joseph's death dash Pierre. Joseph's death horrified Pierre. The warning yell of the truck dashed the old man. The warning yell of the truck terrified the old man. Here are the answers. First, the streets of the city are being widened. Second, do not speak so loudly, soften your tone. Third, they couldn't believe he was blind for years. 4. Nobody grieved Joseph's death as much as Pierre. 5. Joseph's death darkened Pierre's life forever. Jacques advised Pierre to take a day off. 7. Everyone sympathized the old man's death. 8. This story symbolizes love between animal and man. 9. Joseph's death horrified Pierre. 10. The warning yell of the truck terrified the old man. Activity 7. Pick out the appropriate expression for the underlined words or phrases in the following statements. Here you can see some of the sentences from our story. In each sentence followed by 3 options. And also you can see some words or phrases are underlined in the sentences. We have to choose the appropriate expressions for the underlined words or phrases in the following statements. First, the horseman was run over by a truck. The truck driver said, I couldn't help. The underlined word is I couldn't help. What it means. Options, I was unable to save him. Second, I regret I have killed him. Third, I believe I was not in the wrong. Tell me, what is the answer? Yes, I was unable to save him. Second, Pierre used to say that he didn't need reins. He didn't need reins. Option 1, the horse requires no control. The horse required no control. Second, the horse could do without reins. Third, the horse went out of his control. Tell me, what is the answer? The horse could do without reins. Now, tick the correct expressions for the following underlined phrases or words. I will read one after another. You do the correct tick mark. Third, maybe you have got the gout. Options are, first, he was sure that Pierre suffered from gout. Second, he thought Pierre suffered from gout. Third, he thought Pierre might develop gout in future. 4. His salary will go on just the same. Option 1. His salary will continue as usual. Option 2. His salary will be raised. Option 3. His salary will be reduced. Fifth one, he saw something which startled him. We have to find out the meaning of the word startled. First, surprised. Second, worried. Third, saddened. Now, let us check the answers. First one, the horseman was run over by a truck. The truck driver said, I couldn't help. Answer is, I was unable to save him. Second, Pierre used to say that he didn't need reins. Answer is, the horse could do without reins. Third, maybe you have got the gout. Answer is, he thought Pierre suffered from gout. 4. His salary will go on just the same. Answer is, his salary will continue as usual. 5. He saw something which startled him. Answer is, surprised. Now, copy all the three exercises neatly to your notebook.